I want to remove all of the carpet and all of the flooring, then I have to remove the walls and the structures and the bed, and that's not going to happen. So instead of doing all of that, I'm going to cut along the edges. And I do that with my multi-tool. This thing right here with the sharp edges. And to get rid of these pesky carpet fibers, you can just do it by hand like this, or you can use a pair of small pliers. But you're left with a clean edge. This wall is on the other side of the bathroom where the vinyl flooring is, and I just pulled back the padding and look, more vinyl flooring. So the carpet, the padding and the carpet was placed on top of the vinyl flooring, which is also in there. But coming over to this side of the room, it's not vinyl flooring, it's subfloor. So you never know what you're gonna get underneath your carpet.